Hey guys, Agashya here. Hope you guys enjoyed the previous video which completely talks about the itinerary of my Bali trip, and this video is gonna be a complete pack of 6 days. Let's begin. As I mentioned in my previous video, before stepping into Bali, convert Indian money to dollars so that it will be easy for you to convert back dollars to Indonesian money. If you haven't watched, please click the link on the above and check it out. This is the resort where I've stayed in Ubud, which is in Bali. Again, the complete details which I have mentioned in my previous video. I have filmed this video on the third day when we checked out from this resort, and again the day we landed in the evening time, we've stepped out to have some food in the evening time. So here is the menu, and the menu you can see the price starts from 10k 15k Indonesian money. I have ordered a grilled duck which cost me 70k of Indonesian money. The breakfast was delicious, don't miss it. Day 2, we took a scooter and heading to Terrace, which is famous in Ubud. Every resort is surrounded by rice fields.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now.
Here we go, the Ubud Rice Terrace.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger.
It was a great experience to see the rice terrace, as well as we took a lot of photos. And if you're coming here, do not miss the swing. So that is a great experience. You guys might know Luwak coffee is the most expensive coffee in the world. Do not miss it when you're in Ubud.
So this is your welcome drink in Bali. This one was very healthy for you because they find the recipe from traditional book for medicine in Bali we call lontar. So I will start to explain with you. This one is coconut coffee. We make from coffee and also with coconut milk inside. So this one was good for your hair to make stronger and really good for your skin. And then that one is vanilla coffee, very good for your memory and your brain. And then that one ginseng coffee, good for energy. That one is a pure cacao, 100% cacao. This one was good for your stomach because this very pure, 100%. And then that one, so this is a pandanus tea. Why the color is different? Because this one with brown sugar from palm tree, and then that one is without sugar. This original color from the leaf. And then that one is ginger tea, a little bit spicy, but was very good for your throat, your nose, and really good for your stomach. And then that one is lemongrass tea, good for anti-mosquito. If you drink continue, mosquito don't like to bite you. And then that one is a mangosteen skin fruit tea, very good for anti-cancer, antioxidant, good for your eyes and good for your skin. And then the last one is like curcuma tea, I think in the turmeric, yeah, kurkuma, it was good for inside. If you have a problem like your stomach, liver, everything inside, it was good. You can enjoy your welcome drink.
Thank you. Here are the coffee powder which he had explained. I purchased few, but honestly, I didn't like it because when they served for taste, like it was damn tasty, but when I prepared at home, it was not. Next, we are heading to Theta Temple, which is a holy water temple. Join with us.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger.
Here is the temple, and here we are supposed to wear the cloth which they provide, that is mandatory. Here we can see the holy water temple where people are taking bath.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't.
There is a fish pond inside this temple which you can see in this video. It was so nice to see them, and I took a lot of pictures with that. Time for lunch, so let's check it out. What's the famous food in Bali, which is Padang. Padang is the famous food in Bali where you can choose a number of items in one single plate, and that cost I think 35k Indonesian money. As I mentioned, the third day we stayed in another resort, so here is the look. Day 4 started with Monkey Forest tour.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now.
Done with Monkey Forest and now moving to waterfall.
No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna.
After waterfall scenery, went to a museum, and again we took few pictures from there, which is close to Ubud market. And after this we step into Ubud market for shopping. Day 5 we moved to Kuta, which is in Bali again, and from there we went to Theta Temple, and again it's a famous temple in Bali.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us.
Entered in a Bali fish market restaurant, which you can see in this video, and there were a lot of fresh fishes in the tank, fresh crabs, lobster, clam, and also oyster were there. And finally I saw something for the first time, which is alien shrimps, so which you can see in this video at the last. We ordered fish platter because that is one of the famous dish across in Kuta in Bali. In Kuta we stayed just front of the sea, and during the night time I saw this transformer and tried to take few photos. Day 6, last day in Bali. So we didn't step out anywhere, we just relaxing in the beach in the morning, and took a lot of photos, which you can see in this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you all. See you next time. Bye bye.